Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Monday, September 14th, 2020. Taking a look at our homework for this evening. In regular math, you need to copy our simplifying tips, notes from Google Classroom into our journal. It's a new lesson that's going to get us ready and prepared to move on tomorrow. In advanced or accelerated math, you got a lesson called 2.4, adding and subtracting decimals. In science, we've got a Google Classroom assignment called quantitative versus qualitative homework. Remember, quantitative deals with numbers. Accelerated has no homework. In social studies, we need to finish your assignment called Moving Day. Please do not forget to transfer your answers to the Google form when you are completed. In language arts, we've got a writer's notebook, chapter 4. It's our entry. And there's still some people that need to turn in their topic slide from Friday. What you have in accelerated language arts is based on the feedback you received from your peer reviewer today. Revise your essay and check your new criterion score. In literature, our note cards for our figurative language, those are due at the end of the day tomorrow. You have 7 terms, and definitions. You also need to get these written in your literature journal as well. And our AR first quarter points, they are due October 9th, so please make sure that you keep reading and are taking AR tests. In Careers in Life and FCS, there is no homework. Everybody have a fantastic Monday, and we'll see you tomorrow.